Hey guys, Adam here, head of social and strategy for one of the world's most downloaded games called Colour Switch. I just wanted to take a few minutes just to talk about Josue and how amazing he's been over the past few months of working with us and the results in which he's been able to achieve. So Josue, I've known him for quite a few years now. I've used him on multiple campaigns, but I just wanted to talk specifically about what he's able to achieve for Colour Switch, which has been absolutely amazing. We gave him the page at around 22,000 followers. We basically wanted to grow the page, get some viral outreach, and on top of everything, wanted to get views and then hopefully initially downloads in the later days. But as of like the main KPI, we needed followers, we needed views, likes, everything all about engagement on Instagram. Literally within the first few weeks, Josue was able to take the impressions from about 100,000 a week straight up, skyrocketing it to 22 to 23 million impressions per week, with video views being, I think the top one at the moment is over 6 million, like even almost 7 million, I think. I'm not too sure. But huge successes from the campaigns which I've run with him so far. Super happy with everything that he's done, and I couldn't recommend him enough to anyone who was thinking about using him for anything to do with social media. So Josue, you're the man.